我係 Angus 啦，而家係一個 Year 2 Computer Science student 啦，就同 Sai 一齊進行一個 pairing scheme 嘅。
My name is Sai. I'm from Myanmar and I'm also in the pairing scheme with Angus. Yes, I will recommend to join the local pairing scheme because I get to know with a local person, which you have the chance to get in touch with the new cultures, and also with a local you get a lot of help with living in Hong Kong.
我會啦，因為都係你可以體驗一啲唔同你自己 culture 嘅人一齊住啊，同埋我會覺得喺跳出 comfort zone 同另一個人唔同於你嘅 culture 一齊住，會學到一啲你平時學唔到嘅嘢咯。即係喺佢哋 culture 入邊，佢哋又會比較可能就中意煮嘢食，但係香港人就比較少咯。咁我喺佢哋身上就學到煮嘢食啊呢樣嘢咯。